Hello, I'm Jesse Pope, Chief Naturalist here at Grandfather Mountain, and today on our Grandfather Mountain Nature Minute, we're going to talk about bats. In the United States, 42 species of bats occur. Here in North Carolina, about 17 species, and locally in the high country, we have about 8 in particular. Some of those are cave-dwelling bats, and some of those are non-cave-dwelling bats. The cave-dwelling species you typically see hanging from trees or hollows inside of trees, and rarely see them in the winter months. That's because several of those species actually go under the leaf litter to hibernate. Well, bats have very interesting anatomy as well. If you look at a skeleton of a bat, it actually looks a lot like a human skeleton. The wings, the forearms, and the bones that make up the wing look a lot like a human hand. The digits are elongated to fill out the wing membrane. Echolocation is a very sophisticated form of communication. More sophisticated than anything that humans have come up with in order to communicate with each other. Echolocation is basically a sound that the animal submits into the atmosphere, and it bounces off of objects, including insects and other food items that these bats would feed off. That's how bats can fly around the night sky without being able to see very well in pitch black. Fissure caves such as this provide great habitat for lots of species of bats, including the endangered Virginia big-eared bat. This species is found here on Grandfather Mountain, and in fact, this was the first place, the first hibernaculum for that species of bat. And today, it's the largest hibernaculum in the state. Yeah, Virginia big-eared bats, there are less than 15,000 of them in the entire country. And here at Grandfather Mountain, we've had up to 300 bats that have hibernated in our fissure caves. These fissure caves form by weathering. So basically, water over time creeps through small fractures in the rock, and as it freezes and expands, it widens these small fissures in the rock. And it can form ceilings as high as 50 feet in some cases, like the Black Rock Cave, which is one of our caves that has the largest population of Virginia big-eared bats. Virginia big-eared bats were first discovered in North Carolina in 1981 by a caver named Cato Holler. Cato discovered him while documenting all the caves here on Grandfather Mountain. Until next time, I'm Jesse Pope, and you've been watching a Grandfather Mountain Nature Minute.